So guys, what do you think? It's lovely weather today. It's brilliant, Dad. I think we could go on a walk to the... Wait, what's happening? Why is the whole house shaking? We're having an earthquake, Spike. Oh no, an earthquake? What are we gonna do? We'll have to go down to the bottom floor. Quick, hurry! But it was... We have to go down. We have to be quick. We have to be quick. Run to a nearby elevator. Mom, Dad, stop! Going in an elevator when it's an earthquake is not safe. What do you mean by that? You could get stuck in the elevator and you'd have to wait until the earthquake has ended. No answering back, Spike. We're going. We're going to have to need to go. Wait. Dennis, wait. What? You need to get changed out of your trunks. That's what. Just wear your robe. Ah, that's better. Now, with no time to spare, run to an elevator. Hop inside. Down to the bottom floor. I know, it's it's very dangerous. We have to run to somewhere. Quick, get into the cafe. I think that's where it'll stop. Where's Spike? Quick! If you just stay inside, if you go in cavity, the earthquake will die down. It was going very wild. And then, after a while, it stopped. Phew. Spike, are you alright? Told you it was a bad idea. Come on, let's go back up.